Hello, my friends. Welcome to today's Yoruba class.
Yàrá ẹ̀kọ́ Yorùbá lónìí.
Today's topic is Yoruba Alphabet.
Ẹ̀kọ́ wa lónìí ní alphabeti.
Let's begin by singing it as a song.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ nípa kíkọ ní orin.
Now I'll sing the English alphabet, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, sing your Yoruba alphabet.
A, B, D, E, F, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Did you hear that? A, B, D, E, F, G, B, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V. Wow. Let's give him a round of applause. Thank you. Now, if you would like to learn more about the Yoruba language, you want to learn how to speak, how to write, and how to read fluently the Yoruba language, or you're interested in getting this special resource, okay, the special book that can help you learn the Yoruba language within 24 hours beautifully, okay, or you need a Yoruba language tutor, then contact us with the information below. Thank you. All right, bye.